This is pretty much what an Agni Builder is. It's something that stimulates enzymes by stimulating blood flow to the GI, and it achieves this. It achieves this by pungency. Essentially, pungency, maybe breaking up mucus and breaking up mucus obstruction. That's pretty much what an Agni Builder does in Ayurveda. If we want to expand this to Western herbalism, we would add, other things to it, like bitters to directly stimulate fluid release in GI organs, right? But that's not really what Ayurveda refers to. Yeah, you could say digestive organs, right? This is the essential difference, right? A digestive Qi tonic. Notice that's not what an Agni Builder is, right? Agni Builder is a type. This is a digestive Qi tonic is a type of Agni Builder, right? But notice that we're not strengthening digestion with digestive Qi tonics. We're strengthening the organs, and then the organs will strengthen digestion. That is not what's happening in an Agni Builder, which is primarily a stimulating, right? So Agni Builders are stimulating, but not necessarily building, right? I never think of Agni Builders as nutritives, but Holmes described digestive Qi tonics as anastative digestives, meaning, nutritive digestives. In fact, most Agni Builders, in the end, weaken because stimulation weakens. Not always. Sometimes, right? Like if you do 10 jumping jacks, that's stimulating, but it builds muscle mass. So stimulation can be strengthening. But for the most part, when you're talking about Agni Builders, you're really talking about adding spices to, a meal to digest it well in the here and now. You're not talking about how do I ultimately strengthen my small intestine and my stomach and my pancreas and my liver. Is that clear to everyone on the difference between a digestive Qi tonic and an Agni Builder? So tonics, being strengtheners, are going to look more sweet, but Agni Builders are never sweet, right? Sweet and nutritive. You might say that it's even moistening on some level. Now, we can't moisten too much because the digestive tract and the lungs don't want to be bogged down. All right, now we're ready. Now we're ready to answer this question. What is needed in a digestive Qi tonic? Let's get answers from everybody in the class here. What do we need in a good digestive Qi tonic? What are all of the kinds of actions, or another way I can say this is, what are all the organs and tissues that need to be very strong for digestion to be strong? Emma, how does the lymphatic system need to be strengthened? Just so I understand what angle you're coming from there. Okay, so by lymph, you're kind of saying rasa and everything in rasa.
I wasn't sure if you wanted us to use like the
Yeah, no,
Ayurvedic
that's
term.
fine.
I meant
Yeah.
rasa. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So rakta rasa. I think just because since you put blood there also. Rakta rasa. Immunity and prana.